slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate.
What's up guys, Mr. Beast here, and let me tell you, we're about to break the internet. Again, today, we're diving headfirst into the world of viral videos. And guess what? You don't need a Hollywood budget or a crew of 100 to make it happen. We're talking AI power, baby. That's right, artificial intelligence is changing the game. And I'm here to show you how to use it to create videos that rack up millions of views. Get ready to unleash your creativity because things are about to get wild.
Everything I do so instinctive.
Okay, so why is going viral the holy grail for content creators? I'm talking fame, fortune, and maybe even a shout out from yours truly. But seriously, viral videos can catapult your channel from zero to hero faster than you can say algorithm. We're talking massive exposure, a surge in subscribers, and let's be real, who doesn't love those sweet, sweet views? It's like winning the lottery, but instead of cash, you get internet fame and bragging rights. And trust me, those are priceless. So are you ready to unlock the secrets of viral success? Let's do this! Now, I'm not gonna lie, going viral isn't an exact science. If it were, everyone and their grandma would be racking up millions of views. But don't worry, there are definitely some tricks to the trade. Some secret ingredients that can make your videos pop like never before. Think of it like this, you've got the talent, you've got the ideas, but you need that extra something special to really make it sing. That's where AI comes in, my friends. It's like having a team of video editing ninjas working behind the scenes 24/7. Now, before you start picturing robots taking over the world, although that would make for a pretty epic video, let me explain. AI tools are like super-powered assistants that can help you with everything from video editing and special effects to generating catchy titles and descriptions. Imagine having the power to create Hollywood-level productions from your bedroom, all thanks to the magic of AI. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Well, hold on to your hats because it's about to get even better. One of the coolest things about AI is that it's a total game changer for creators of all levels. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, these tools can help you step up your game and create content that truly stands out from the crowd. No more excuses about not having the right equipment or the technical know-how. AI is here to empower everyone, and that's something I can definitely get behind. So, are you ready to unleash your inner Spielberg? Let's dive into the world of free AI tools. Alright guys, let's talk about everyone's favorite word, free. I know, you're probably thinking, nothing good in life is free, Mr. Beast. But trust me on this one, there are some seriously amazing AI tools out there that won't cost you a dime. And no, I'm not talking about some shady, low-quality software. We're talking top-notch tools that can rival the big dogs, without breaking the bank. So get ready to ditch those expensive subscriptions and unlock a whole new world of creative possibilities. First up, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any video, the script. Now I know what you're thinking, writing scripts can be about as fun as watching paint dry. But fear not, my friends, because AI is here to save the day. There are some awesome free AI script writing tools that can help you craft engaging, attention-grabbing scripts in a flash. We're talking everything from generating video ideas and outlining your story, to writing entire scenes, and even adding a touch of that signature Mr. Beast humor. Alright, so we got the script sorted, but what about the visuals? I mean, let's be real, nobody wants to watch a boring static video. We need action, we need excitement, we need visuals that would make Michael Bay proud. And guess what? You don't need a Hollywood budget to make it happen. There are tons of free AI tools that can help you create stunning visuals, add mind-blowing special effects, and even generate custom animations. It's like having a whole VFX team at your fingertips. Okay, we've got the script, we've got the visuals, but what about the voiceover? Now I know I've got a voice that could make a million ears fall in love, but not everyone is blessed with the gift of gab. But don't worry, my voice challenge comrades, because AI has got your back. There are some incredible free AI voiceover tools that can transform your text into high-quality audio. We're talking realistic voices, different accents, you name it. You can even find tools that let you clone your own voice or create custom sound effects. The possibilities are endless. Alright guys, so you're hyped about making viral videos with AI, right? It's an exciting time to be a content creator with so many tools at your disposal. But before you dive headfirst into the world of AI video creation, there's something crucial you need to consider. You need to pick the right tool for the job. This decision can make or break your project, so let's take a closer look at how to make the best choice. But hold up, before you dive in, you gotta pick the right tool for the job. Think of it like this. You wouldn't use a hammer to screw in a light bulb, right? The same logic applies here. The right tool can make your video creation process smooth and enjoyable, while the wrong one can lead to frustration and wasted time. It's like choosing between a Lamborghini and a monster truck, both awesome, but for different terrains. A Lamborghini is perfect for smooth, fast roads, while a monster truck is built to handle rough, rugged terrain. Similarly, different AI tools are designed for different types of video projects. Some are great for quick, simple edits, while others are better suited for complex, high-quality productions. First things first, think about what kind of video you want to create. Are you aiming for a fun, animated explainer video, or maybe a cinematic masterpiece with stunning visual effects? Your vision for the final product will guide your choice of tools. Take some time to brainstorm and get a clear picture of what you want to achieve. Are we talking crazy animations, mind-blowing special effects, or maybe something more like those cool lyric videos? Each type of video has its own set of requirements and challenges. For example, creating an animated video might require a tool with strong animation capabilities, while a lyric video might need a tool that excels in text animation and synchronization with music. Each AI tool has its own superpowers, so pick wisely, my friends. Some tools are like superheroes with specific strengths. One might be fantastic at generating realistic human voices, while another excels at creating stunning visual effects. Understanding the unique capabilities of each tool will help you make an informed decision. Once you've got your video style figured out, check out the features each tool offers. Make a list of the features that are most important to you. Do you need advanced editing options, or are you looking for something more straightforward? Are there specific effects or templates you want to use? Comparing the features of different tools will help you find the one that best meets your needs. Do you need something beginner-friendly, or are you ready to unleash your inner Spielberg? If you're new to video creation, you might want to start with a tool that's easy to use and has plenty of tutorials and support. On the other hand, if you're an experienced creator, you might be looking for a tool that offers more advanced features and greater control over the final product. Some tools are super simple, while others give you more control. Simple tools are great for quick projects and for those who are just starting out. They often have intuitive interfaces and easy-to-use features. More advanced tools, while potentially more complex, offer greater flexibility and control, allowing you to fine-tune every aspect of your video. And hey, don't forget about your budget, even though we're talking free tools here. While many AI video tools are free to use, some offer premium features that come at a cost. It's important to consider whether you might need these premium features and if they're worth the investment for your project. Some might have limitations on video length or have premium features you gotta pay for. Be sure to check for any restrictions that might affect your project. For example, some free tools might limit the length of the videos you can create, or they might watermark your videos unless you upgrade to a paid plan. So yeah, do your research and choose wisely. Take the time to explore different tools, read reviews, and maybe even try out a few before making your final decision. The right tool can make all the difference in bringing your creative vision to life. Happy video making. Now let's talk about the heart of your video, the script. This is where your creativity truly shines and where you can make a lasting impression on your audience. A well-crafted script is the backbone of any successful video, whether it's a short clip for social media or a full-length feature. It's the blueprint that guides your entire production process, from the initial concept to the final edit. So let's dive into the essentials of crafting a script that not only captures attention but also keeps viewers engaged from start to finish. Even with AI doing the heavy lifting, you need a killer script to hook viewers. AI can help you with editing, effects, and even some aspects of storytelling, but it can't replace the human touch. Your script is where your unique voice and perspective come into play. It's what sets your content apart from the sea of videos out there. Think of it as your secret weapon, the element that makes your video uniquely yours. Trust me, a boring script will kill even the coolest AI effects. No amount of visual flair can save a video if the script is dull and uninspired. Your audience will tune out, and all your hard work will go to waste. So how do you avoid this pitfall? By focusing on creating a script that's engaging, dynamic, and full of life. Let's explore some strategies to make that happen. First up, brainstorm some viral video ideas. This is the fun part. Let your imagination run wild. Gather your team if you have one, and start throwing out ideas. No idea is too crazy at this stage. The goal is to generate as many concepts as possible. Think about what has worked in the past and what could be the next big thing. Look for inspiration everywhere, from trending topics to everyday life. Think about what's trending, what people are talking about, the stuff that makes the internet explode. Social media is a goldmine for this. Spend some time scrolling through your feeds, paying attention to what's getting the most likes, shares, and comments. What are people passionate about? What are they laughing at? What are they debating? These are the topics that have the potential to go viral. Remember those Charlie Bit My Finger videos? Pure gold. They were simple, relatable, and incredibly shareable. That's the kind of magic you're aiming for. Your video doesn't have to be complicated or high budget to go viral. Sometimes the simplest ideas are the most effective. The key is to tap into universal emotions and experiences that resonate with a wide audience. Once you've got your golden idea, it's time to write a script that's short, sweet, and attention-grabbing. Start with a strong hook, something that will grab your viewer's attention right away. This could be a surprising fact, a funny moment, or a compelling question. From there, keep your script concise and to the point. Every word should serve a purpose and move the story forward. Think about it. People's attention spans are shorter than ever, so you gotta hook them from the first second. In today's fast-paced world, you have just a few seconds to make an impression. If you don't capture your audience's interest right away, they'll move on to the next video. So make those first few moments count. Use them to set the tone, introduce your main idea, and give viewers a reason to keep watching. And hey, don't be afraid to add some humor, some suspense, maybe even a plot twist or two. These elements can make your script more engaging and memorable. Humor can lighten the mood and make your content more relatable. Suspense can keep viewers on the edge of their seats, eager to see what happens next. And a well-placed plot twist can leave a lasting impression and make your video stand out. Keep it engaging, keep it fun, and most importantly, keep it real. Authenticity is key. People can tell when you're being genuine and they appreciate it. Be yourself, and let your personality shine through in your script. This will help you build a connection with your audience and make your content more relatable and enjoyable. People can spot a fake from a mile away. If your script feels forced or insincere, your audience will pick up on it and it will turn them off. So stay true to yourself and your vision. Write from the heart, and your audience will respond to that authenticity. Remember, a great script is the foundation of a great video. Put in the time and effort to craft a script that truly shines, and your video will be all the better for it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna
Okay, so you've got your AI tool, you've got your killer script. Now it's time to bring your vision to life. This is where the magic happens, people. Get ready to be amazed by the power of AI. Most AI video tools are surprisingly user-friendly. You basically just feed them your script, choose your style, add some music, and boom, the AI does its thing, generating awesome visuals that'll blow your mind. But hey, don't just settle for the first draft. Most of these tools let you tweak and customize everything. Play around with different effects, transitions, text animations, get those creative juices flowing. And don't forget about the music. The right soundtrack can make or break your video. Choose something that fits the mood, something that enhances the visuals, something epic. You want people to feel the energy. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, we're in the home stretch. You've put in the hard work, and now it's time to share your creation with the world. This is the moment where all your efforts come together, and your AI-powered video is ready to shine. But before you hit that upload button, let's make sure everything is perfect. Your AI-powered video is done, it's beautiful, it's about to break the internet, the visuals are stunning, the content is engaging, and you can't wait to see the reactions. But hold on, there are a few more steps to ensure your video reaches its full potential. But hold your horses, there are a few more things before you hit that upload button. We need to make sure your video is optimized for the best viewing experience. This means paying attention to the technical details that can make or break your video's success. First things first, choose the right video resolution and format. This is crucial, because different platforms and devices have varying requirements. You want your video to look crisp and clear on all devices, right? So, take a moment to select the best resolution and format that suits your needs. You want your video to look crisp and clear on all devices, right? Whether someone is watching on a smartphone, tablet, or a large-screen TV, the quality should be top-notch. This ensures that your audience gets the best possible experience, no matter how they choose to watch your video. So, yeah, pay attention to those settings, make sure everything's top-notch. Double-check the resolution, frame rate, and format. These settings can significantly impact the final output, so don't rush through this step. It's worth taking the extra time to get it right. Once you're happy with the export settings, it's time to save your masterpiece. This is the moment where all your hard work is locked in, ready to be shared with the world. Make sure you save it in a location that's easy to find so you don't waste time searching for it later. Give it a catchy file name, something that screams viral sensation. You know what I mean? A good file name can make it easier to identify your video, especially if you have multiple projects. Plus, it adds a touch of personality to your creation. Make sure you save it somewhere you can easily find it. An organized digital folder can save you a lot of headaches. Create a dedicated folder for your project and keep everything related to it in one place. This way, you can quickly access your video whenever you need it. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, uploading your video. This is where your masterpiece goes live, ready to be viewed by the world. But before you hit that upload button, there are a few more things to consider. Choose the right platform, write a killer description, add some relevant hashtags. These elements can significantly impact your video's reach and engagement. A well-written description can entice viewers to click on your video, while relevant hashtags can help it get discovered by a broader audience. We'll talk more about that in the next chapter. And boom! Your video is live, ready to be watched, shared, and loved by people all over the world. This is the moment where your hard work pays off, and you get to see the reactions and feedback from your audience. Unleash your AI-powered masterpiece upon the world, celebrate this achievement, and get ready for the next exciting chapter in your creative journey. Your video is now out there making an impact, and who knows, it might just go viral. Alright guys, so you've made this awesome AI video, right? You're ready to unleash it upon the world and go viral. But hold your horses, we gotta talk tags. Tags are like secret ingredients that make your video pop up when people search. Think about it, when you're looking for something on YouTube, you type in some keywords, yeah? Tags are those keywords telling YouTube what your video is all about. The better your tags, the more people are going to find your masterpiece. We're talking potentially millions of views here. So how do you choose the right tags? Think of it like this. If your video could talk, what words would it use to describe itself? Don't overthink it, just jot down any relevant words or phrases that come to mind. Let's say you made a video about making the fluffiest pancakes ever. Some obvious tags would be pancakes, fluffy pancakes, breakfast recipe. You get the idea. But don't stop there. Think about broader topics too, like cooking, food, or even easy recipes. Remember, we want to cast a wide net and reel in as many viewers as possible. Now YouTube's got this super handy tool built right in that can help you find even more awesome tags. As you start typing in the tag box, YouTube will actually suggest popular tags related to what you're typing. This is like having a direct line to what people are actually searching for. It's like YouTube is saying, hey, use these tags and your video will blow up. So pay attention to those suggestions because they're pure gold. Okay, now I know you're super pumped to load up your video with tags, but there is such a thing as too much of a good thing. Don't go stuffing your tag section with irrelevant keywords just because you think it'll trick the algorithm. YouTube's smart, guys. They can tell when you're trying to game the system. Focus on using relevant, accurate tags that actually describe your video. It's all about quality over quantity here. Alright, so now that you're a tag master, let's get inspired by some AI videos that absolutely crushed it and went viral. Because there's no better way to learn than from the best, right? We're talking videos that racked up millions of views, blew up on social media, and had everyone talking. And the craziest part is, these were all made with the help of AI. So sit back, relax, and get ready to take some notes. We're about to break down what made these videos so successful, so you can use those same strategies to make your own videos go viral. Remember that music video that was blowing up everyone's feeds a few months back? Yeah, the one with the crazy visuals and catchy tune? That, my friends, was the work of AI. The creators used AI to generate the entire music video, from the music itself to the stunning visuals. It was so unique and different that people couldn't help but share it. This just goes to show that AI can help you create content that's truly original and attention-grabbing. And that's what going viral is all about. Okay, this next one is pure comedy gold. This group of friends used an AI writing tool to come up with a hilarious sketch, and then they filmed it and put it online. The sketch was so funny and relatable that it quickly went viral, racking up millions of views and even getting featured on some major websites. This proves that AI can be your secret weapon for creating shareable, entertaining content. So what can we learn from these viral sensations? First off, don't be afraid to experiment. AI opens up a world of creative possibilities, so let your imagination run wild. Secondly, focus on creating content that's engaging, shareable, and maybe even a little unexpected. And finally, make sure your video is high quality and polished. Remember, you're competing with millions of other videos out there, so you gotta bring your A game. And there you have it, guys. You now have all the tools and knowledge you need to create your own viral AI videos. Remember, it's all about using your creativity, experimenting with different AI tools, and optimizing your videos for maximum reach. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and make some viral magic. And while you're at it, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Because trust me, you don't want to miss out on what's coming next. Peace.